Hi guys, and welcome to a Modern Watch review episode with me, Derek aka Sal, the Omega Enthusiast. Yema contacted me last month and offered me the opportunity to review their watches. To my surprise, they were generous enough to allow me to select two of their watches. I have decided to review the Superman Heritage GMT Bronze model for this episode, and will leave the next one on the other piece a mystery for now. So without further ado, let's begin this review. The watch will arrive via DHL service as usual with protective peanut packaging. There will be a black outer Yema box inside, and as you slide open the cover, you'll find the inner travel case, a booklet behind it, and the leather warranty card underneath. I think it's a brilliant idea that Yema chose to use a travel case instead of a regular watch box. This way, you'll not need to spend extra money looking for a travel case or pouch for your watch. Of course, such people as myself travel with more than one watch, so a case like this is definitely beneficial. Open the case, and inside you'll find the watch wrapped around its cushion with plastic and bubble protection. I will give this a 5 out of 5 star packaging. You can rest assured that your order timepiece will arrive in perfect shape. You may hear of Breguet, Cartier, and Bell Ross when it comes to watch brands made in France. But in 1948, Henry Louis Bellemont founded the brand Yema and quickly became one of the most renowned watchmaking companies, and in the 1960s and 70s became the largest exporter of watches in France. But, like most European watch companies, Yema is also a victim of the quartz crisis and has returned to business since 2011. The brand focuses more than just creating a timepiece that tells time only. It is a brand that offers a watch with extra features such as chronographs, and like this GMT piece that I am reviewing in this video. The best place to purchase a Yema watch is directly on their website, and I will leave a link in the description box below. There are several selections, and I've selected the unique Bronze Heritage Superman GMT. Go through the provided details on the watch, and if everything checks your box for this watch you're looking for, click on that green Add to Cart button and complete your checkout. Then sit back and wait for your stunning timepiece to arrive at your door. So I've never owned a bronze watch before, and to see one in person is quite fascinating. It looks almost like a 14K gold watch, but you can also tell that it is not because of its dull texture. It's interesting to say, but in today's watch market, Yema is considered a Microbrand, and there's no doubt that this is a good quality timepiece either. You can tell that the company has put a lot of effort into making this timepiece great. Even though I usually wear watches between 32 to 36 millimeters, excluding the crown, because of my small wrist size, I also own and wear a 42 millimeters Omega Speedmaster, so I had no issue wearing this Yema Superman with a 39 millimeters diameter. If my 6-inch wrist gained another 0.5 inch, would have been perfect. However, I did expect the watch to wear a little heavy on the wrist due to its thickness and size, but that's because I am so used to my smaller vintage watches. The strap that came with the watch is soft and comfortable, but after several days of wearing it, you can see that the buckle area on the leather has become lighter. But don't get me wrong, it is not worn and breaking apart. In a sense, I kind of like how it looks because it gives you that vintage vibe. The strap matches the bronze color of the case, but I think it would be great if Yema had a green strap option to match the degraded green dial as well. What do you guys think? Four important things to point out are this watch allows you to read 3 different time zones simultaneously. Second, you have the 1963 original bezel lock mechanism at 3 o'clock. Third, the double dome 2.6mm thick sapphire crystal takes scratches and crack resistance to the next level. The last point is that even though the strap does not have easy release spring bar, the lug side has push pin holes for you to remove the strap safely and easily. Unscrew the case back and you'll notice several things. First, you will see a gasket for moisture protection. Then, on the inside of the back, there's a metal ring, and it is there to secure the movement holder in place, keeping everything inside the watch intact. But probably the first thing that you'll see is the in-house Yema caliber 3000 automatic movement with 29 jewels. The ball bearing automatic weight will allow the watch to self-wind and charge the movement quickly. I've not worked on this caliber before, but by the look of it, I can see it is a well-made movement. The automatic weights allow the watch to self-wind, so it is unnecessary to wind it manually before wearing it. Give it a few shakes, and that's enough to get the watch going. Next, unscrew the crown, pull it out one position, and turn it clockwise to change the date quickly, or counterclockwise to set the GMT hand. Then pull the crown to the second position and you can now set the time. And since it has the hack set feature, meaning the second hand will pause, you can adjust following the atomic clock time. Just make sure that once you have set everything to screw in the crown. Also, note that the unidirectional bezel can only rotate after unscrewing the crown. As always, before wearing any of my review watches, I always fully hand wind and test it manually for the purpose of making one of these videos to see if its power reserve stay true. And the answer is yes, it did hold the 24 hours as advertised. According to the site, the minimum daily rate is plus or minus 10 seconds. When tested on the timing machine, the reading was excellent and remained this way for 12 and 24 hours. To properly inspect and evaluate the watch, I need to wear it for at least 8 hours a day for a week. And after 1 week of wearing the watch, I did not need to readjust the time as it was keeping excellent time. The shovel sweeps secondhand with the red dot and luminescent is quite fun to look at. Even though it is much thicker than my vintage watches, it's like having a Speedmaster in the wrist. I thought it would be too heavy to wear throughout the day, but after putting it on the wrist for a few minutes, I already forgot that I had a watch on. The current price of this Yema Superman Heritage GMT Bronze watch is $14.90 US. It will be delivered with two straps, a brown vintage leather strap on the watch with a Tropic dive watch strap as a spare. The warranty is for 24 months, with a free 14 days for return and free worldwide shipping. I can now say I've worn a bronze watch, and I am pretty satisfied. The primary purpose of a watch is to keep time, and this piece did not fail to do so. So if you want a quality GMT watch, I recommend this timepiece. I'm sure the bronze and green dial combination is not for everyone, but honestly, after seeing this piece in person, I really like the look of it. That's the end of this video. If you enjoy me making more of these modern watch review video, let me know in the comment section, or feel free to let other watch companies know about my work, and maybe they will also offer me one of their timepieces to review. If you have any question regarding this watch I may have missed in this video, let me know in the comment section. There are more modern watch review video that you can locate in the channel's playlist. Stay tuned for the second episode on another Yema watch. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I look forward to seeing you in the following video.